See that thing over there? Fucking blew down all that shit. All them things right there, Dave. There's some. There's a lot of other shit. Like, look at this.
What's that bag laying there?
Those are sand fucking bags, man.
Oh, they're sandbags, so it
I don't know how, but that's a whole lot of metal that blew. But if you go over more, over here, look at this fucking. These are Chicago glaciers. These fucking dirt mounds. Look at them. Look how dirty that fucking shit is.
I know.
It's just filthy.
That's where the plows are.
You think there's got to be like a diamond or a gold rope in there, like somebody lost sometimes, I think. Or $100 bill that blew. You know what I mean? These carts are just going wild, man.
I know.
That one smacked that one. But over here, there's whole cement fucking things turned over. Like they got rebar. See that sign right there?
Yeah.
That's nothing. Wait till I show you the other one.
Oh yeah, I see that.
You see them?
Big chunk of cement. Yeah.
See these fucking things? Giant chunks of cement. And they were supported by rebar. There's that one, and then there's another one. Fucking windy out there. You said you were getting blown all over, huh?
Yep.
Look at that thing. That's pretty solid. Fuck. Oh, and there's another cart. There's carts everywhere.
Yeah.
These carts are just flying all over, and the things that hold the carts are fucking flying everywhere.
Broke. They're all blown.
I'm surprised. Yeah, I'm surprised the shit that's still left intact is still left intact. I think I was over here. I saw some other crazy shit. Dude, I've been seeing crazy shit all day, man.
I can imagine what you're
driving, dude. The wind blows you on the highway so hard. Look at that garbage can right there. Look at that thing. It's in the middle of nowhere. There's another cart over there. Wow, oh, there's a garbage can. Fuck. It's rough.
Yep.
It's rough walking in this shit. Happy I could at least give you a ride. Yeah, look, there's one.
Oh yeah.
At least I can give you a ride, you don't have to walk. You know, if that's the least I could do for people that are homeless and shit like that, Dave, at least I could do that, right?
Right.
Give them a ride, you know what I mean? Shit like that, you know, Dave? Shit's just blowing everywhere. I'm gonna end this video before I get on a busy street. I don't know what that thing is.
That's part of a light.
Is
no,
it?
That's an ashtray.
Oh, that's a garbage can ashtray. Yep.
Yeah.
We're gonna see more shit, but I'm not gonna have the video rolling. All right, man. Chicago, Windy City.